Hi, my name is Jack Adams, and I'm with Turner Construction here at the Transbay Transit Center. We oversee all construction, everything from ISI, their special inspectors with concrete, and rebar, and welding, to public relations, public outreach, meet with the SFMTA, the city, all the regulatory agencies. So that's Turner's role here, is construction management oversight.
My name is Anthony Bell. I'm the Construction Management Oversight Quality Assurance Manager. My job here at Transbay is basically quality assurance. I will get an inspection request through the system, then I turn around and reassign it to, say, an ISI inspector, telling them what day, time to do the inspection.
So the Transbay Transit Center is a 7-year project. I've been here since 2010. I'm in my 5th year on the project. So in September 2013, we started concrete construction, so almost 2 years ago. And we've poured about 98,000 cubic yards of concrete to date. And by the time we're done with this project, we'll pour in 120,000 cubic yards of concrete.
Challenges of working on a project this size in downtown San Francisco. Well, that is the challenge. It is downtown. Basically, we have almost like a 0 lot line. A lot of the challenges for us is just basically getting materials in and out, traffic, pedestrian traffic. And then we also have like concrete pours. With the 0 lot line, we only have like certain areas that we can pour from. And even when we pour concrete, a lot of times we have to pour concrete not during the day, but during what we call a swing shift or night shift.
So what makes this project unique is the cast nodes. So the cast nodes are anywhere from 4,400 pounds each to 44,000 pounds each. So these things, some of them are huge. Some of them are bigger than about the size of a small school bus. That's to me, being in the business, that's the showstopper. People see that and go, what is that? I haven't seen that before, They call it architecturally exposed structural steel. So it's structural, but it's exposed and you paint it and make it pretty. That's why they have such a nice finish to them. When we get done welding, they machine the weld down so you can't even tell where the weld was, and then they'll paint it white and it'll be exposed, and they make it an architectural feature even though its function as a structure itself. So the cast nodes get manufactured in Kansas and Louisiana. They get shipped to one of the 6 fabrication shops that we have under contract, or the steel contractor Skanska has under contract. So we have ISI inspectors, welding inspectors, certified welding inspectors in each one of these 6 shops. So right now we've been going 6 or 7 days a week and sometimes 24 hours a day in fabrication for a year. So ISI inspectors in each shop, certified weld inspectors doing welding visual inspection, ultrasonic testing. So we have 26 inspectors right now under contract with ISI in these 6 different shops. We also have 5 in the field doing welding inspections, concrete inspections, bolting inspections, all the different types of inspections that ISI does for us in the fab shops and in the field. We couldn't do the job without them. One of the other unique features of our project is a bus ramp, a dedicated bus ramp coming off the Bay Bridge into our building. It's a viaduct, a typical concrete viaduct that you drive over in the state of California every day, but also there's a cable stay bridge that we're going to be erecting. And the ISI inspectors are heavily involved with the concrete, the rebar, underground cast-in drilled hole piers that were built last summer and through the fall. So this cable stay bridge is going to be a really unique feature of our building, and it's going to be very popular. It'll be on postcards. It's going to be a very nice and unique feature of our building.
The impact that the Transbay Transit Center is going to have on this downtown area is just going to be great. I mean, it's going to be just an icon building. I mean, if you can imagine, like I said, 4 blocks long, 1 block wide, and basically about 4 levels high. And then even the impact now that it's having, you have numerous buildings going up around us. And basically that's because of the Transbay Transit Center.
So the Transbay Transit Center is transformed already the South of Market neighborhood. And the city is turning to one of public transit. Young people want to ride their bicycle, they want to take public transit, they want to walk to work. So it brings all these transit agencies into one central hub, and it's going to be the Grand Central Station of the West.
I worked in this building, and I know that it's built right, and that even while I'm here and after I'm gone, I can think that, hey, nothing's going to happen to that building. It's built correctly, done right. It's a great building.